Hello everyone, welcome to the Easy Programming classes. In today's lecture, we are going to learn a C program for arithmetic operators. Now, there are different types of operators in C or any other language. The first basic type is arithmetic operators, and then also a relational operator, bitwise operators, etc. In this video lecture, we are covering a program of arithmetic operators. In the next lecture, we are discuss about the next operators in C. So first of all, let us understand what is meant by arithmetic operators. So first of all, let's see what is meant by operator. An operator specifies an operation on the data which yields a value. Means an operator produce a value or which after operation it gives some value, that is called as a operator. And the operand means the data item on which operator act is called as a operand. Now in this example, as you see, x plus y, here plus is operator and x and y are operands. Let's see what are the different types of arithmetic operators. So as you seen, here is a plus operator, then minus, then multiplication, division, modulus, we can say it as a remainder, and then plus plus means increment and minus minus means decrement. So these are 7 types of arithmetic operators in C. Let's discuss one by one. For example, assume a variable A holds value 10 and a variable B holds value 20. Here A and B are variables, means operands. Then plus, if we perform a plus operation between A and B, then plus is used to add two operands, then A plus B is equal to 30 because the value of A is 10 and the value of B is 20. Now second operator is minus, which subtract a second operand from the first. If we write an example like A minus B, then the value is equal to 10 minus 20, that is equal to minus 10. Then the third operator is multiplication, which multiplies both the operands. Here if we perform A multiplied by B means 10 multiplied by 20, then the value is 200. Then the division operator, which divides a numerator by denominator. Here for example, B divided by A, the value of B is 20 and the value of A is 10. So 20 divided by 10 is equal to 2. Then the next operator is modulus. The modulus operator is used to find the remainder. So here modulus operator and the remainder of after an integer division. If we perform B modulus A means 20 modulus A, the division is 2 but the remainder is 0. Then the next operator is plus plus, means the increment operator. The increment operator increase the integer value by 1. Means if I assign a value of A as 10, then A plus plus is equal to 11. If I assign a value of A as 2, then A plus plus is equal to 3. After performing a increment operator, the value is increased by 1. Then the next operator is minus minus, that is called as a decrement operator, which decrease the integer value by 1. In increment operator we increase the value by 1 and in decrement operator we decrease the integer value by 1. So if we consider the value of A as 10, then A minus minus is equal to 9. These are the 7 types of arithmetic operators in C. Let's move on to the program. First of all, declare two header files. One is a stdio.h and the other one is a conio.h. Then start from the main function. Main function is very important because the execution of program always starts from main function. Then first of all we have to declare the variables. Now here I am going to perform the arithmetic operation with two values. Means here we require two operands or two variables. So here I am declaring two variables, that is A and B. I am going to store the value addition into variable add, value subtraction into variable sub, multiplication into variable mul, division into div variable, and the remainder into mod variable. So first of all, enter the values of A and B. I am going to enter the values at runtime. You can also give the values at compile time. So to give the values at runtime, first of all we have to scan the values of A and B, that is allocate a memory location for variable A and B. So write down the printf statement and scanf statement. Printf, enter the values of a and b, then new line end with semicolon. Then the scanf statement. Here for a and b we have to enter the values, so there are 2 times %d because the values a and b are of type integer, so here I use a decimal. Then comma and a, comma and b. You can also separate a and b, or you can write down into a single statement. Now let's write down the formula. Here I am going to store the addition into add variable. So here add is equal to a plus b, then sub is equal to a minus b, multiplication is equal to a multiply by b, then division is equal to a divided by b, or b divided by a if the value of a is small than b. Okay, then modulus, mod is equal to a modulus b, that is the remainder. And then increment and decrement. Here if I want to increment the value a, then I can write down that a plus plus. If I want to decrement the value of b, then write down b minus minus. Okay, so these are the formulas, simple. We can also call it as an expression. Okay, now let's print the values of addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, increment and decrement. So write down the printf statement for that and pass these variables, that is add, sub, multiplication, division, modulus, and then a for this a plus plus and b for this b minus minus. Here I write all the printf statements. Then first of all, printf addition is equal to %d and add, because the value of a plus b is stored into a variable add. So I pass variable add to this statement. Then in the similar way, the second printf statement subtraction is equal to %d comma sub, because a minus b value is stored into a variable sub. Then multiplication is equal to %d comma mul variable is passed as a parameter. Then division is div, remainder is mod, then increment is. Okay, here we are not going to assign a new variable, so directly we increment and decrement the value like a plus plus and b minus minus. So changes will occur directly into a variable a and b. So here I directly pass a variable a and b. So this is a very simple program. Now let's check the output. Run that program. Okay, enter the values of a and b. Suppose here I enter a value 10 for a and a value 20 for b. Now let's check the output. Addition is equal to 30, then subtraction is equal to minus 10, multiplication is equal to 200, division is 0. Okay, so why the division is 0? Because here we divide a divided by b. Here we give the formula as a divided by b, and the value of a is 10 and the value of b is 20. So here 10 divided by 20, the denominator is greater than numerator, so the answer is 0. Then remainder is 10, increment is 11, because the value of a is 10 and after increment it is increased by 1, so the answer is 11, and the decrement is equal to 90. Here we use b minus minus. We decrement the value of b. The value of b is 20, so after decrement the value is decreased by 1, so the answer is 19. Then also remember one thing, that don't forget to give this new line in every printf statement if you want every statement into a new line. So I hope you understand this program. If you have any queries, then you can also comment down into a comment section. I hope you like. If you like, then please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to press the bell icon near the subscribe button.